Sahih Al-Bukhari 3376, narrated Abdullah radiallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam recited Hal min Mudakkir 54.15. Is there any that will remember and avoid evil? Sahih Al-Bukhari 3377, narrated Abdullah bin Zama radiallahu ta'ala anhu. I heard the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam while referring to person who had cut the legs of the she-camel of the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam saying, the man who was appointed for doing this job was a man of honor and power in his nation like Abu Zama. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3378, narrated Ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhuma. When Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam landed at Al-Hijr during the Ghazwa of Tabuk, he ordered his companions not to drink water from its well or reserve water from it. They said, we have already kneaded the dough with its water and also filled our bags with its water. On that, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered them to throw away the dough and pour out the water. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3379, narrated Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhuma. The people landed at the land of Samad called Al-Hijr along with Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and they took water from its well for drinking and kneading the dough with it as well. When Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam heard about it, he ordered them to pour out the water they had taken from its well and feed the camels with the dough, and ordered them to take water from the well whence the she-camel of Prophet Saleh used to drink. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3380, narrated Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhum. When the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam passed by a place called Al-Hijr, he said, do not enter the house of those who were unjust to themselves, unless you enter weeping lest you should suffer the same punishment as was inflicted upon them. After that, he covered his face with his sheet cloth while he was on the camel saddle. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.